another fancy step card that I'm going to show you how to assemble, and then after I get it all made and decorated, I'll come back and show a picture of it. Plus there'll be a picture on the listing online. So first you have this piece that is 5.5 by 10 3/4, 5.5 by 10 3/4, and then it's all scored and folded. Fold that one back, this one forward, this one forward. So you have this. Then you take all your pieces, and I'm not going to stick these down because I'm going to finish. So you stick that little one there, you put this one on here, then all of these go like this. Well, you know it'll be centered, but I'm just going to set it on the ledge. And that one. And then this piece goes in the very middle. So that you have this, then you have the whole back of the card that you can write your message on. So I'll go get to decorating one of these and I'll be back.